Can you tell me about yourself? My my name is Alejandra Echavarria. I am 52 years old since I was teenager. Like to take care of people. I have got a nursery degree at the Mason University in Bogota. Then I am working as nursery assistant in the areas of gynecology and neonatology. The Tara Hotel is 5 years old. What do you want this hot? I am interested in the neonatology manager position because I can appeal. I his experience across and make cursor of therefore I am motivated to import the mentioned areas in order reach here service to more parents. That is my kid. Does are your extreme and workers? I consider to have professional skills such as leadership, communication, problem solving, teamwork, and lead addiction of different words involved. My words are just I am imputual on Instagram. The me about I think when you solve problems in the municipal uh, people usually come from rural areas and vice area like so like the meeting at this and April, but I possibility race is immediately. What do you see through 5 years? I see myself in scary welfare profession to coordinate the leads a social project. Um, I would like to hit the whole position, the policy health coordination for the municipal of Tara. What do you hope from this company? I looked words and out profession or one an inspiration. I went for Boon Patches also. I was selling mails around through position hot finances. I host to financial assistance post graduate student. Thank you very much.